I'm going to walk you through the Placed platform. This is the home page of Placed. Get hired 3 times faster. On this platform, you will find several tools that help candidates prepare better. Resume Builder. There is also a job match score. This feature saves lots of time for candidates by showing how suitable the job is for the candidate. You can also see job listings from multiple job portals and websites. Please note that Placed works as a job aggregator. You can also practice mock interview. There are 1000 plus assessment tests. Another useful feature is that candidate can apply for job and track all their application in one place. For personalized guidance, there are also expert coaches available for one-to-one guidance. If you see the solutions here, you can see most of the services available on the platform from here. Sign up process is very simple. You can sign up using the Gmail account or LinkedIn account. You can alternatively register using your email address. Now, I will try to log in using my existing candidate account. This is the candidate dashboard, sample of candidate dashboard. The first thing that you will see when you will log in. The first and the foremost, the most important thing that every candidate should do is to complete their profile. Work experience, preference, skill. Whether it is LinkedIn, Naukri, Shine, or Place, the first step should always be to complete your profile and update it on regular basis. Based on this information, platform recommends suitable jobs to you. If you see the dashboard, there are several things. You can see the recommended jobs here. This is the career toolkit. You have resume builder here, mock interview, career guidance, assessment test, and various other things are here. You can explore them later on. Let us talk of the recommended jobs right now. You can see the job details from here directly, or you can also reach them from here. Find jobs. When I press find jobs, I go to recommended for me. Here, to avoid confusion, the platform shows a maximum of 10 recommended jobs. Out of these, 5 are best matches and 5 are great picks. This helps candidate focus on the most relevant opportunities instead of getting confused by too many options. Let me open one example. This job is from danahar.com. This is from danahar.com. Many people may not have heard this name, but it is a large global company and it is currently having one job opening. Here you can see the job match score, which is currently 43%. This score is calculated by comparing your profile with the job description. Let us look at another job. Let us see this job. This is from recruit.net and the job match score is 62 here. I want to show you one more job that I have saved for you here. This is saved job. Let us see this job detail. This is from Barclays. Job has been pulled from Barclays website. One thing you have to understand that large companies like Barclay, Tata, etc., they do not generally post jobs on LinkedIn, Naukri, or any other portal for that matter. They usually post on their own websites. Placed aggregate jobs from multiple job portals, platforms, and company websites. Let us see other jobs. Here, I go to find job. I will go to see all jobs from here. There are many type of filters here. I can search any type of job besides recommended for me. For example, if I try to choose internship, I can directly go from here, this filter, and it shows me all the internship opportunities that are available. Similarly, I can do a search from here. I am trying to find the job of business analyst. I write it here and it will show me the job opportunities of analyst from here. One important thing you have to understand is that Placed is a placement readiness platform and not a job portal. Placed is basically a placement readiness platform. It focuses on the readiness for placement interviews. Currently, we are pulling around 10,000 jobs on the platform. The purpose is to help candidates practice on the real job and to introduce various unheard job portal and large company website to the candidates so that they can also look at jobs on those websites and these job portals. Let me take one more example from the recommended job. Let us open this job. Here the job match score is 62%. If someone wants to apply for this job with this score, the chances of getting shortlisted may not be very high. So the platform gives you an option to optimize your resume from here. You can click optimize resume. After optimization, the job match score might increase. In some cases, it might decrease as well, depending on the alignment with the job requirement. You can also generate cover letter directly from here. These features are generally known to many candidates and you can explore them yourself. Since Placed is a placement readiness platform, let me show you how you can practice mock interview from here. For any job available on the platform, you can directly start the interview by clicking practice interview button. Interview can be practiced in two ways, the text mode and the voice mode. If the candidate is hesitant to speak, they can start with the text mode and later move to the voice mode. Select the parameter. You can start the interview directly by clicking a button. Start. This is the text mode I have chosen to show you how to start interview here. Important thing you have to note is that interview simulator cross questions you based on your answers. When if I choose three questions, it means generally three topics, and the system may ask me multiple questions within that topic. When I press start interview, this will start asking me question and I have to write the answer here. And the system may cross question me based on my replies. Let me show you how to go in the voice mode. Let us choose the same job and we press the practice interview here. This time I choose voice mode. I can go technical interview. My level is 0 and 2 years. Difficulty level is easy. I choose again three questions and 15 minutes. Similarly, this 15 minutes is also only indicative. It may it might finish before 15 minutes or it might even exceed that. It depends on the number of questions it is asking you. Since this is a demo, we will not go through the full interview. It is creating the interview right now.
Hello, Akash. Welcome to your AI-powered interview simulator for AI Native Product Management Intern at DHOT. This is a practice interview to help you prepare. I'll ask you a series of questions, and you can respond naturally using your voice. You can end the interview at any time by clicking the End Interview button. When you're ready to begin, please click the Start Interview button. Take your time.
I can start the interview by pressing start interview and I can answer by voice here. But instead, I will show you the results of some previous interview. Since this is demo, we cannot spend too much time here. You can practice this yourself. We'll go back. I will show you some other result, previous mock interview, completed one. Let's see this result. This is the overall performance score. The overall performance score is 3.5 out of 10. The system clearly shows the score, the strength related to this job, the weakness related to this job, and area of improvement that has to be worked upon. These results are derived from the profile, the job description, and the answers in the interview. The mock interview also shows the question it has asked, the answers you have given, and the correct answer, and the explanation of the correct answer. It scores the individual question also. Similarly, for question number 2, you can see the question it had asked, the answer that was given, the correct answer, and the explanation of the answer. Similar for third question. This way, you can practice this multiple times and very likely performance will improve. When you are using this mock interview simulator, initially the simulator may make you feel very uncomfortable. But that reflects the real interview situation today. Because generally most of the interviews are generated by AI. So they are similar type of questions. So you have to be ready for those type of questions. So you have to face this type of interview. Gradually you will learn what type of questions are asked and how to answer them. It is just like learning to ride a bicycle. Initially it feels difficult, later you can ride any bicycle with confidence. Now let us talk about the campus placement and reference job. Many jobs are not posted on portals such as campus placement opportunities and job received through references. You can still practice interview for these jobs here. Simply go to Place AI Pro, go to mock interview, press new interview, enter the job details, company name, industry, write the job description, make a selection here. If you want to go in text mode, you can start immediately. If you want to go in voice mode, choose like this and start interview. Personally, I believe that jobs through reference have a much higher success rate. So candidates should actively look for the references through their network. When you get a job opportunity through network, you can prepare for that job on place.
Recruiters say most candidates fail in interview in first 2 minutes. The reason is lack of expression and not lack of knowledge. We have simplified the campus placement readiness. Candidates can practice campus placement readiness starting from first year in both text and voice mode in mock interview section.
Let me tell you about the resume builder here. If you start creating a resume from scratch, you will see multiple templates available immediately. These are the details that has been picked up from your profile. If I press preview resume, I can see the format. I can change the template very easily by click of button. I can change to some other template. I can pick any other template. Simultaneously, I can change the color. I can change the font and I can generate the resume the way I want it. If you go back and start again, you can see the score also. It is score. This is not only showing you the ATS score, this is also showing the suggestions how to improve it. If you follow them, hopefully you can improve the ATS score also. You can also optimize the resume for a specific job, unposted job, let us say recommended by somebody. So for that, what you have to do, you have what resume you have created, you bring it here and enter the details of that job here and start the manual match work. I will show you example here. I have the resume is here. I pick up a job post from this existing portal and I try to match the job here. It will show me it will analyze the match and it will show me the skill gaps. If I find my skills and the detail are matching, then I can choose to optimize my resume from here. In this case, it is nowhere nearby, but still, if I want to optimize my resume somehow, I can optimize from here. I will tell you about the skill assessment test from here. On Placed, you can try around 1000 plus assessment tests are there on different subjects. Usually there are three levels: easy, medium, hard. This is a medium level here, Python. This is expert level. This is hard here, and this is fundamental, Python fundamental, easy. You can start with the easy and gradually move up to higher level. After the test, the system shows similar things like mock interview, your score, question, answers, and correct answer with explanation. I will show you with an example here. See, this is job. We go here, we see the results. See, it is showing the score, the question it has asked, the answer that you gave, the correct answer, and the explanation of the answer. You can repeat the test multiple times and the level will remain the same, but the question change each time. As you practice, the system also shows you the improvement curve. Whether your performance is improving or is going down, it will be seen here. You can see it here. Assessment tests help you overcome fear, while the mock interview builds confidence in you. Even now, if you have doubt, you can go to AI career guidance. It can guide you about the career path. If you have any question, you do not know whom to consult because these jobs are all new. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, these are all new fields which not many people are aware of. So you can consult here. After preparation also, the final interview will always be taken by humans. So for that, you can connect with the expert coaches for one-to-one guidance. They are offering free sessions. You can avail that free of cost. There are many more features that you can explore yourself. One of them I'll show you is when you go through a saved. See, when I see this job, let us say this job, the platform provides the guidance on how to apply this job, what to check before applying. See, what all I have to do, I have to check whether this job is suitable for me or not. What check I should do before applying, it is showing me here. How to prepare for interview, how to negotiate, all the things are shown here. Here you can explore these things yourself. If you need any more help or want to interact with us, you can reach us through forum here on resources. You can write your issue here. We will try to solve it as fast as possible.